So hey guys, welcome back. This is Aman Gupta. Welcome to Traders. So this is the daily analysis session of Traders. So first of all, I would like to say that our Nifty index. So what is the basically this tomorrow's instance? What will be the bias and what will be your perspective for the Nifty? And currently you can see here from the past few days the Nifty has been coming down from 25,650 to 25,000. So almost we have got 600 points fall in the market. Now the 600 points fall is just a correction of what this big rally. So this is the correction for this, and you can see here tomorrow or by day after tomorrow any green candle closing can be possible because we have got back to back 3 days candle in green. So buyers should try tomorrow or day after tomorrow to take this high or low upside. So, but in which side you will take tomorrow trade, you have to be very cautious. As you can see, the closing is hour of today's Nifty is on the basis of closing. We can see our candle close is below. So price is closed below. As the price is showing bearishness because as it has been closed below side, so Nifty is still in bearish fractal. Bearish means or you can say the Nifty is will be in the bearish side. So if tomorrow any flat opening is there, so you will be using this important supports and resistance. Okay, and these are the main area for tomorrow. So what happens if understand here if we are opening in this area, so you will try for the downside trade only because the market looks here as a bearish, but these sellers will try to take the market one time to this lows also because 25,000 is the main area, or also you can see here any sideways consolidation zone here. But if tomorrow market opens gap up from today's closing, then you have to be cautious in the upside. For the downside or upside, you have to just wait. If any bearish candle of 15-minute to 30-minute candle, if forming bearish, then only you have to go for the bearish side direction. Suppose this kind of 15-minute or 30-minute candle formation like this area, and it has broken the high, but it has been not closing, and it is closing here. Then you can see we can see more downside. Otherwise, we will be seeing market is going lower lows. As this is the important area, so market will try to make one time high. So or tomorrow just keep your quantities low. If you are trading with one lot, then sorry, two lots, then try it with one. If any gap up or gap down is happening tomorrow, understand here. If the overnight gap up or gap down is happening, so you have to be if gap down is happening, then you have to go for wait for the pullback. If it is coming pullback, then if here any bearish signal you are getting, then you have to short. Also, if any gap up is happening, so this will be acting as the support, and this support can be as, and then you can buy in the pullback if any gap up is opening tomorrow above this high. So tomorrow just wait and watch for tomorrow. So this is our view for the Nifty, and now the next analysis is of our crude oil. As per the crude oil analysis, you can see here we have predicted that the weekly candle of crude oil is bullish. So our bullish candle was very high. But now you can see here we are closing here downside. Now what is the new instance? As you can see here, the closing of the crude oil is downside. So we will be taking bearish, okay, bearish or just bearish position for tomorrow if we are opening flat. So this high is important tomorrow. If this high is broken, then we will be very bullish. Otherwise, we can be bearish side only. So tomorrow it's very important decision for the crude. It has if it is breaking the dollar, then it will surely go to this that is 5700. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not breaking day lows, so it will be breaking this high. Although there are possibilities that crude oil can be sideways. I will update you tomorrow, but this is the main instance. Currently, the crude oil is closing at the if the closing is bearish, so we will be taking a precaution for tomorrow towards the bullish trades. So I will tell better to book the bullish trades in the overnight, so you cannot get as a loss or any gap down happening, because the US and sanctions, the Russian oil and all, any news can be possible. So it's better to take prevention. Okay. So this is the crude oil analysis. Now in today's chart, we have seen the crude oil targets. The first target was this and this depth. From where only third target, this gap has been filled. And after filling this gap area, the crude oil has been fallen very sharply. So this sharp fall has been coming. So let's see if any recovery is coming or not. Otherwise, these buyers will be trapped in this area. Those people who have entered here in the longs, they will be trapped here. Okay. Now, what will be the next for tomorrow? So for tomorrow, our again the natural gas. Okay. So currently the natural gas, you can see candle. As per the natural gas candle, you can see open is equal to low. What is open is equal to low? This candle you just see here, you see the low is not being broken today. Means open is equal to low. The price opening is equal to low price. So this is a bullish candle formation. And here you can see here this candle, this open is equal to low, open is equal to low. So this kind of candles are always a bullish candle, and higher chance are that crude NG can be taken to this level if it is possible. If like this, the bullishness is maintained tomorrow. So we will be keeping a buy on dip strategy in natural gas. If any dip you are getting, then you have to buy in dip in NG. Okay. Now the next will be our Bank Nifty analysis. What will the view for the Bank Nifty in the tomorrow session? And first of all, we will say about mid cap. Many people are asking about mid cap. So mid cap, you just see the slowly fall has been decaying the premiums of the put option, call option from those who have bought here. But today you will see a mid cap has been closed in the green. So tomorrow we will make a buy and dip strategy for the mid cap. If we are breaking this high and this high, so this can be broken and we can be seeing as a recovery. As you can see, same recovery has been came in the Nifty also, and now in the mid cap. Now the next instance will be Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, our candle closing is just see here. We have been closed above the previous day closing, and as per the closing basis, we have closed red only. But for tomorrow, this is the important area, because this area you will see here, this area after so much pullback, the buyers are trying to take it upside. See, whenever market comes to this area, candle is going upside direction, means pressure is coming from the downside. However, the sellers are giving the pressure, but it is not much pressure because the buyers are very aggressive buying from the bottom. So this is the aggressive buying area, and if that prevents from the sellers to fall. So for tomorrow, if it is again like this, so higher possibility that any green candle formation can take place. So tomorrow there can be a sideways to bullish, okay, in the Bank Nifty. So just keep eyes on the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is very bullish. You can see here as per the chart structure. The chart structure shows what, and whenever any dip is buying, dip is coming, see here. Dip is coming, it has been bought. Dip is coming, it has been bought. And again dip is coming. So now market is sideways here. Any breakout or breakdown will give a very big move tomorrow. So that's all from the news, this analysis session. Thank you. Have a nice and good night, guys. Bye bye. Take care.